Hello everyone, today our topic is how to create a Webber subscribers from FunnelKit user. So here my objective is that whenever a new user will be added in FunnelKit, then automatically by using that user details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in our Webber. So for that I have to build a simple connection between FunnelKit and our Webber. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use FunnelKit. In action application, I'm going to use a Webber. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create a Webber subscriber from FunnelKit user. So here what I want is that whenever a new user get added in FunnelKit through any registration form or manually, then automatically we will capture the details of that user and create a new subscriber in our Webber by using that FunnelKit user details. So I want this to happen automatically. So for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build a connection between FunnelKit and our Webber. So after using Pabbly Connect, whenever I will add a new user in FunnelKit, then automatically by using that details of that FunnelKit user, a new subscriber will be added in our Webber. So how we can use Pabbly Connect? For that, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create a Webber subscriber from FunnelKit user. And now I have to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So for that, I have to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'm going to select this folder of home and I'm going to save this workflow in this particular folder. So I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be FunnelKit. So I'm going to select FunnelKit here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new user will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect FunnelKit with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between FunnelKit and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two accounts, I have to follow all these instructions. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now we'll go to my WordPress account where I have this plugin of FunnelKit, and in WordPress I'm on this FunnelKit automations. Now here I have this option of automation, so I'm going to open this. Here I have to add a new automation, so I'm going to click here on this add new automation. I'm going to click on this plus button of start from scratch. Here I have to name my automation. So the name of my automation will be a Webber subscriber. So I'm going to click on create. And now I have to first select my trigger. So I'm going to click here. And here my trigger will be WordPress. And my trigger will be user created. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to click on done. Now I have to add an action. So I'm going to click on this plus button. And here I have to click on action button. Now I will go to send data. And send data to Pabbly will be my action. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on done. Now here I have to give the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I'm going to add my data. So first I have to click here on this add new button. And here I have this tabs of key and value. So I'm going to add a new user by using a registration form. So for that, let me take you to my registration form first. And here I have all these details of username, user email, first name, last name and password. So these are going to be the data that I want to receive in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go back to my FunnelKit account And here I have to give the data in key value pair. So first I'm going to need the username. So my key will be username. Now I have to give the value. So for getting the value, what I have to do is I have to go to this merge tags option. And here I have to search for the value of username. So this is contact username. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste that here. Now I'm going to add more data. So I'm going to click here and now I need the first name. So this will be my key and now I'm going to give that value. So again, I have to go to merge tags and here I have this first name. So I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste that in this value tab. Now I will add more data and I need last name and I need the email. So I'm going to add the values here. So I'm going to copy this contact last name value. I'm going to paste that here. Similarly, I'm going to add my email value. So I'm going to go to this merge tags option and here this is contact email value. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste that here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. So I have created my automation. Now I'm going to make this active and now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a new user in my FunnelKit account. And for that, what I have to do is I have to go to my registration form that I'm going to use. And here I have to fill all these details to create a new user. So my username will be testuser45 and I have to give a user email. So my email will be testuser45@pabblitudes.com and I'm going to give the first name. So my first name will be test. Now I have to give the last name. So last name will be user and I'm going to give any random password here. So I'm going to give the password of my user. I'm going to confirm my password and I'm going to click on submit. So I have submitted this and I have successfully registered this new user. Now I'm going to go back to FunnelKit. I will go back. I will close this and here I will go to contacts. And here in contacts, we can see I have added this new user. So the email is testuser45@pabblitudes.com. So here I have registered this new user in my FunnelKit account. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have received this response. So in the response, I have the username, which is testuser45. I have the first name, which is test. Last name is user. Email is testuser45@pabblitudes.com. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details of the user and I have to create a new subscriber in Aweber. So for that, what I have to do is I have to set up my actions tab and here my action application is going to be Aweber. So I'm going to select Aweber here and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add or update subscriber will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Aweber with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Aweber. Now here for connecting Aweber, I have to give my login name and password. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So I have filled my details here. Now I'm going to click on this I'm not a robot button and I'm going to allow access. And here my connection is successful. Now here I have to fill the required details to create a new subscriber in Aweber. So first I need the account ID and I only have one account ID. So it has already been selected and I have only one list which is of new customers. So that is already selected here too. Now what I need to do is I need to give the full name and the email of my subscriber and I'm going to use the details of the new user that I've created in FunnelKit. So I'm going to map those details here and here I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open the response of FunnelKit and I need the full name. So I have to first map the first name. I will give a space and the last name. So this is going to be the full name of my subscriber. Now I have to give the email address. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response on FunnelKit and this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. Now I have mapped all these details here. Now I have only received these two details from my user registration form. So I have received all these details only. That's why I have mapped these details. But if you received more details from your registration form or by creating a new user in FunnelKit, then you can map those details here too. So I have filled the required details. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new subscriber in Aweber by using the details of the new user that I've created in FunnelKit. Now to check this, I have to go to Aweber and in this I will go to subscribers. And here we can see I have created this new subscriber in Aweber. So I'm going to open this and here the name is test user, email is testuser@pabblitudes.com and it was added 1 minute ago. So here we can see that by using the details of the new user that I have created in FunnelKit, I have automatically created this new subscriber in Aweber. So here my connection between FunnelKit and Aweber is working successfully, so that whenever I'm going to create a new user in FunnelKit, then automatically by using those details of the user, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Aweber. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to register a new user. So I'm going to go to my registration form and I'm going to fill this form one more time. So here my username will be damouser21, email will be damouser21@pablitudes.com, and I'm going to give the first name, which will be Damo. Now I have to give the last name, which will be user, and I have to give a password. So I'm going to give my user password. I'm going to confirm my password and I'm going to click on submit. So here I have successfully registered this new user. Now what should happen is that by using these details of the user, a subscriber should automatically be created in Aweber. Now to check this, I have to go to Aweber. I'm going to go back and here we can see I have this new subscriber added in my list. So I'm going to open this and here the name is damouser, email is damouser21@pablitudes.com, and it was added 54 seconds ago. So here we can see these were the details that I have filled in my registration form for creating a new user in FunnelKit. And automatically by using that user details, I have created this new subscriber in Aweber. So here my connection between FunnelKit and Aweber is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have built this connection between FunnelKit and Aweber, such that whenever I'm going to create a new user in FunnelKit, then automatically by using that new user details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Aweber. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was FunnelKit and my trigger event was new user. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application was Aweber and my action event was add or update subscriber. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.